Hello, I'm Maya Twain, and today I'm taking you on an unforgettable adventure through Italy. For those of you who are new here, I specialize in exploring and sharing travel experiences, offering you a taste of the beauty and complexity of different cultures. Traveling in Italy is a dream come true for many, but like every great adventure, it can present challenges. Today, we will talk about how to navigate these challenges, turning every little hitch into an opportunity to enrich your experience. From grappling with the language to handling unexpected events in transportation, I will give you practical advice and strategies to tackle the most common challenges. I'll show you how a small setback can become a memorable moment of your trip. Let's discover together how to make every trip in Italy an even more special experience. Italy is renowned not only for its artistic heritage and breathtaking landscapes, but also for a rich and vibrant culture that expresses itself through language, gestures, and etiquette. Understanding these nuances is essential to truly immerse oneself in Italian life. The Italian language is melodious and expressive. Even if you don't speak Italian fluently, learning some basic phrases will not only help you navigate better, but also show your interest and respect for the local culture. Using tools like Google Translate can be incredibly helpful. This app not only helps with translations, but also offers a good voice synthesis feature. This way, you can hear how phrases are pronounced, which can be a great starting point for learning the basics and communicating effectively. Gestures are a fundamental aspect of Italian communication. A simple gesture can have many meanings, and learning them can be as fun as it is useful. In Italian communication, the context is key when interpreting gesture. The same gesture can have different meanings in different situations, adding a rich layer of expression to everyday interactions. Italian etiquette embodies a profound sense of respect and courtesy. Offering a greeting upon entering any establishment is more than just a formality. It is a meaningful expression of respect. And remember, patience is a virtue, especially in restaurants and cafes, where the pace can be more relaxed than what you might be used to. In case of need, do not hesitate to ask for help. A simple phrase like, "Do you speak English?" can open many doors for you. And remember, gestures can be a powerful tool of communication in Italy, even if you can't find the right words. A smile and a gesture can go a long way. Simple phrases like, "Where is the bathroom?" "How much does it cost?" or "a ticket for" can really make a difference. Don't worry about being perfect. The important thing is to try. Italians really appreciate it when visitors make an effort to speak their language. Remember, facing language barriers is not just a challenge, but also an opportunity to learn and grow. Navigating the Italian transport system might seem daunting at first, but with some useful tips, you can move around like a true local, whether it's trains, buses, or metros. Italy offers a variety of options for traveling within cities and between regions. For trains, I recommend using the official apps of Italian railways, such as Trenitalia or Italo, to check timetables and purchase tickets. For buses and metros, it's useful to always have cash for tickets, although many cities now offer electronic payment options. Remember to always validate your ticket before boarding. Strikes and delays are part of the reality of Italian transport. In case of a strike, always check local news or transport apps for updates. Having a plan B, like renting a car or taking a taxi, can be a good idea if you have a tight schedule. If you decide to rent a car, know that driving in Italy can be an adventure. Roads in cities can be narrow and crowded, while highways are faster but often have tolls. It's important to familiarize yourself with the local road rules, such as speed limits and restricted traffic zones, known as ZTL, present in many historic centers. Despite the challenges, navigating the Italian transport system will allow you to explore the country in a unique and authentic way. With a bit of planning and patience, you'll find yourself traveling with the confidence of a local. When we travel, We always hope not to face health emergencies, but being prepared is essential. Italy has a high-quality healthcare system with facilities available for both emergencies and basic care. In case of a medical emergency, the number to call is 118. It's important to know that in Italy, emergency medical care is guaranteed to everyone, regardless of citizenship or insurance type. However, for non-urgent care, costs may be applied, so having adequate travel insurance is essential. Pharmacies in Italy are easily recognizable by their green cross sign. Here, you can find not only medicines, but also useful advice for minor ailments. Most pharmacies offer an on-call service for emergencies outside regular opening hours. If you need prescription medications, it's important to bring your medical prescription with you, possibly translated into Italian. In some cases, the pharmacist can provide an equivalent medicine if the specific product is not available. Don't forget to inform the pharmacist about any allergies or medical conditions. Dealing with health issues in a foreign country can seem daunting, but knowing what to do and where to go will help you manage the situation with more serenity. Prevention and preparation are the keys to a safe and carefree journey. Traveling in Italy is an extraordinary experience, but as with any popular tourist destination, it's important to be aware of your own safety. Most Italian cities are safe, but there are always precautions to take to avoid unpleasant incidents, such as theft. Some areas, especially in big cities and crowded tourist sites, can be more prone to petty theft. It's always a good idea to be informed about areas to avoid, especially at night. General safety advice includes keeping valuables in safe places, not displaying expensive items, obviously, and being aware of your surroundings. In case of theft or loss of important documents, like your passport, it's crucial to act quickly. The first step is to file a report at the nearest police station. This will be essential for any insurance procedures and to obtain replacement documents. After filing the report, contact your consulate or embassy for assistance. It's also useful to have digital or physical copies of your important documents in a safe place, such as an email or separate luggage. Italy is famous for its delicious cuisine, but it also caters to a variety of dietary needs. Whether you follow a vegan, gluten-free diet, or have other dietary restrictions, you will surely find tasty options throughout the country. In major urban centers and tourist areas, many restaurants offer options for specific diets. Look for restaurants that clearly display these options on their menu or ask the staff. Don't be afraid to express your dietary needs. Italian culinary culture is based on hospitality and adapting to the needs of customers. To avoid the so-called tourist traps, there are some signs to watch out for. Restaurants located near major tourist attractions often tend to be more expensive and of lower quality. A good sign is finding a place full of local customers. Also, be wary of menus with translations in many languages, which can be an indicator of a restaurant mainly aimed at tourists. For a more authentic experience, try exploring the back streets and discovering where the locals eat. Markets, taverns, and small family restaurants often offer delicious dishes at reasonable prices. Here, you will also have the opportunity to try traditional foods prepared authentically. To have an authentic experience in Italy, exploring the less traveled paths can be incredibly rewarding. Beyond the famous art cities, Italy is full of charming and lesser-known places, from small villages to breathtaking natural landscapes. Consider visiting small towns or less famous cities. These places offer a more peaceful atmosphere and a more authentic experience of Italian life. Here you can discover art, history, and traditions away from the tourist crowds. Not only that, but you will also have the opportunity to taste unique regional dishes, often passed down from generation to generation. Interacting with the local population is another fundamental aspect of a deep cultural immersion. Italians are generally very friendly and open, especially if they see that you are making an effort to appreciate their culture. Don't hesitate to ask for advice on places to visit, restaurants to try, or traditions to explore. Participating in local events such as festivals, markets, or exhibitions is a great way to immerse yourself in Italian culture. These experiences provide unique insights into daily life and the traditions of the place, allowing you to connect more deeply with Italy. Let curiosity and open-mindedness guide you, and you will discover aspects of Italy that many tourists never get to see. And so, fellow travelers, we come to the end of our journey through the essential tips for enjoying Italy at its best. Every journey is a unique experience, and I would really love to hear your stories. What have been your favorite moments in Italy? Do you have any tips or special experiences to share? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts and advice with our community of travelers. If you found this video helpful and want to discover other destinations or receive more travel tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And check out other videos for more inspiration and travel guides. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover Italy. I can't wait to share the next adventure with you. See you soon and have a great trip.